So welcome to Shkoder, northern Albania. And look at that behind me, that row of Albanian flags and that geyser. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk down this street and just get a feel for this gorgeous town. It looks amazing from just what I've seen. So I'm just walking down this quite gorgeous street. Look at this. With this mosque, which I'll investigate more tomorrow. And there's my hotel, the Hotel Colosseo. But let's walk down here. This is not what I expected. This is gorgeous. So I'm just reading here on Wikipedia that Shkoder is the 5th most populous city in Albania. It lies at the foothills of the Albanian Alps and it is near to Lake Shkoder, which maybe I'll get a chance to see, I'm not sure. I'll tell you, it's got a thriving bar and restaurant scene. They're everywhere down this street. So I've just come to one of the restaurants down here. I want to get pizza and a local beer. Cheers from Albania. Nice. So while I'm waiting for pizza to arrive, I'm going to show you the Albanian currency. It's called the lek, and 1,000 is worth about 7 quid. I think that's the biggest note. It looks cooler, doesn't it? Look at it. Well, my pizza's arrived. They don't mess about in Shkoder. Good pizza. Right, back to the hotel. I want to see more stuff tomorrow when I've got more time. So good morning from my balcony. There's a mosque I'm going to go and see. It looks like a nice church over there. And this is that street I was walking along last night. So I'm going to go off and explore, I think, starting with this mosque. So here I am at ground level, staring at the Abu Bakr Mosque, built in 2005 and funded by the Saudis, I think. We'll try to go inside. Nice. Outside Shkoder. I want to go to that statue. So yeah, they've got the weapons there, and this sign, according to Google Translate, says in this place on November 29th 1944, Albania's liberation day from the Nazi fascists. I've just spied a deliciously looking tower turret thing over here just behind that tree. So that's what I'm going to go and see. Can you see it? What on earth is that? Is it really just a bar and restaurant? There it is. 2 nuns sitting beneath it. I was hoping I'd be able to climb it, but as far as I can tell, there's no way of doing it. It's just part of this cafe. Obviously historical. Just passing Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. I think she was born in Albania. Well, she's definitely got ties to Albania. So where I'm actually heading is, I found something on Google Maps called Site of Witness and Memory. So that's where I'm going. Right, let's go in.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much. This is to commemorate victims of the communist dictatorship, which was established in 1944, and they had sort of internal security apparatus to control and suppress any opposition. And I think this building was a local branch of the Ministry of the Interior. People who were tortured and executed and they keep on adding to it. Whereas over here are the people who I think were they were interrogated, imprisoned, and they went to the prison camps. So this is a model of the interrogation room where they tortured them. God, imagine. Just come up the stairs and another set of cells. Bloody hell. These, bloody hell. Dynamite to the genitals. Hanging upside down. Exposure to the sun. Tomcat inside baggy trousers, especially for women. Digging one's own grave. My God. Grim past. So this behind me is the Franciscan church. I think it was like built in 1905 or something. But I think in the 1940s, the priests who worked there found this like store of weapons and ammunition that the Albanian secret police had stashed in there. And when they complained, the police arrested them, probably threw them in those cells that I was in earlier. But can I go in? That is the question. Nope. Oh well, I'll just continue with my my wanderings. Past the guy selling his little bits of fruit, past the art store. So I'm going to head to another church instead. But do you know what? I think Albania gets bad press. Not many people come here. I don't know why. I think possibly from past times when it wasn't regarded as a great place to come, even a pariah state. But it's really safe. It's beautiful, people are friendly. Albania, more people should come. Right, let's see if I have more luck getting inside that one. Shkoder Cathedral, huge. I don't think I've ever seen a religious statue or any statue where the head is pointing like that. Is that possible to even do that? So yeah, it says here during the Turkish occupation back in the day, the bishops were forced to live outside the city, but the Sultan finally granted permission for them to come back and rebuild this in 1851. Well done, the Ottomans. I have found the way in. And there's Mother Teresa. So I've come to a central roundabout, which I think used to be called Five Heroes Square or something. That monument's gone, but it's got this in the middle. I can see benches there, so there must be a way to get to it, although I can't see the way, apart from just running across the road. Made it. It's seen better days. But it's ridiculously hot. And just behind it, the theatre, and another great Albanian flag flapping in the breeze, which is much needed right now. Well, I've done a mosque, and I've done a Catholic church, I think, and now I'm going to do the Orthodox church. Locked. Damn it. Why are all these fabulous churches locked? Right, I'm going to go back to the hotel now and have a little bit of a rest, get some lunch, cool off.